You just got laid off of your job and you're 3 months behind on your mortgage payment. The bank called and said they're going to foreclose your home. You're stressed and your kids are hungry, and your spouse just got out of the hospital and the doctor bills are piling up. Your life is spinning out of control. What are you going to do? Where can you go for help? You can turn to us. Help for Homes is here for you. Whether there was a death in the family and you inherited a property and you don't know what to do, or you're behind on your payment and going into bankruptcy or foreclosure, we can take over your payments and stop the bank from taking your home. Get cash for your bills so you can take care of your family. Help for Homes gives homeowners options to help solve daily problems and take the stress away. Whether you're having trouble trying to stay in your home or want a quick, fair cash offer to sell your home, we can help stop your family from going through all the stress. No more stress. No more fuss. Leave it to us. Call Help for Homes now.